Lokit Raj. Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to present the 7 wonders of the world. In year 2007, more than 100 million people voted to declare the new 7 wonders of the world. I am presenting here without any ranking. Taj Mahal is an ivory marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was built between 1631 and 1648 by the order of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Great Wall of China was built between the 5th century BC and 16th century. The Great Wall of China is a fortification built in to protect the borders of the Chinese Empire from the Mongols' invasion. The Great Wall is the longest man-made structure in the world of approximately 4,000 miles. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Chichen Itza is an archaeologist site located in Tino Municipality, Yucatan State, Mexico. It was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people of the Terminal Classic period. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. The Colosseum or Coliseum is an oval-shaped amphitheater located in the center of Rome City, Italy. It was built between 70 AD and 80 AD. It was in use for 500 years. It was the largest amphitheater ever built at the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators gathered to watch gladiator events and various other public spectacles. Petra is located in Jordan. It was the capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV. The members of the civilization proved to be early experts in manipulating water technology, constructing intricate tunnels and water chambers which helped create an pseudo-oasis. A number of incredible structures carved into stone. A 4,000-seat amphitheater and the Eldir Monastery have also helped the site earn its fame. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Machu Picchu is an Incan citadel set high in the Andes Mountains in Peru, above the Urubamba River Valley. It is built in the 15th century. It is the most familiar icon of Inca civilization. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Christ the Redeemer is an Art Deco style statue of Jesus Christ. It is a very well-known work of art in Brazil. It is built between 1922 and 1931. It stands 98 feet tall, horizontally outstretched arms spanning 92 feet. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe.